Welcome to Autonomic Sauce Labs low-code automated web testing studio. In this segment of our video series on project properties, we are going to review how to use Autonomic's show step timer. From the project properties pop-up, we'll enable show step timer. This property shows how much time is used for each test step, as well as how long did it take to generate the entire test. Once enabled, we refresh the page and we can see the times here for each step and the total time here. To learn more about project properties, view the other videos in this short series. And to learn other tips for advancing your low-code automation strategies, visit our Autonomic Sauce Labs YouTube page or reach out to us via our website.